Welcome to the digital world, the tech tutorials channel. In this channel I will show you that how you can get rid of these trending searches on your Google app. As you can see that based on your locations they will show you what search terms are being trending in your area. Just in case you don't want to see these trending searches, you need to follow this method. So open the Google app, and from within the app you need to click your avatar icon, and from here select settings. In the setting options you need to look for the first option, which is general, and in the general option you will see that there is an option of autocomplete with trending searches. So in case you toggle it off, now you won't see these trending searches, and in case it is on, you would see the trending searches include popular searches in your area. So I'll just switch it off, and now I'll go back and click this, and as you can see that now it is showing me the history of my search terms instead of the trending searches. In case you want to see how you can delete or remove the profile picture from your Google account, you can check out this tutorial, which will be displayed somewhere in the end screen card right now. In any case, thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.